Installing a metal halide bulb into a mercury vapor fixture can lead to a number of possible negative outcomes. Firstly, there can be incompatibility issues. Metal halide bulbs require a specific ballast and wiring configuration that is different from mercury vapor fixtures. Installing a metal halide bulb in a mercury vapor fixture may result in the bulb not illuminating properly, or it may flicker. Secondly, damage to the bulb may occur. Mercury vapor fixtures are designed for lower operating temperatures than metal halide bulbs. Exposing a metal halide bulb to higher temperatures in a mercury vapor fixture can damage the bulb, reducing its lifespan or causing premature failure. Thirdly, the fixture itself could be damaged. The increased heat produced by a metal halide bulb may overheat the mercury vapor fixture, causing damage to its components, such as the ballast or the reflector. Fourthly, there are electrical hazards to consider. Incorrectly wired or incompatible bulbs can create electrical hazards, increasing the risk of electrical fires or shorts. Therefore, it is not advisable to put a metal halide bulb in a mercury vapor fixture. Doing so can lead to compatibility issues, damage to the bulb or fixture, and potential electrical hazards. Always use the correct type of bulb that the fixture is designed for to ensure safety and proper operation. This prevents premature failure, damage to the fixture, or even electrical hazards. Be sure to consult the manufacturer's specifications of the lighting fixture to determine what is the appropriate lamp to install. Using the incorrect lamp is a violation of the listing of the fixture. The listing is the safety standard that the fixture was designed to comply with. Lamps and fixtures are carefully designed to work together safely and efficiently.